Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial for the Bead Landing Create and Bake Jewelry bee earring and necklace kit. This is the first time I'm doing one of these, so hopefully it all goes well. Hopefully I don't catch anything on fire. If I do, this video will be much more interesting. But I got this at Michael's craft store for $7.99. They were buy one, get one half off, so I got two. I will be doing the other one in another video, so subscribe to see that. So let's just get started with everything that is in this package. So the first thing is the instructions. And then we have the bag of the actual supplies in the kit. So we have the bee itself. It is gold in color and it's just this little metal piece. It looks like the things you use for resin. And then here's the string for the necklace. Here is the honeycomb shapes for the earrings, as well as all the other findings for the jewelry. And then here's little gold tube shaped beads, and then the black, yellow, and blue things that you melt. It looks like they're just little pieces of plastic. So that's everything that the kit comes with. And then additional supplies are scissors, tweezers, tinfoil, oven mitts, a baking pan, pliers, and an oven. So pretty basic things that most people are probably going to have. You probably don't have to actually buy anything else extra. You probably have all this laying around at home. So down here in the tips, it says do not use a microwave oven, use tweezers to fit crystals into small spaces and corners, and then you're supposed to remove the pan before it's done baking to fill any bare spots, and then only use the metal that's included in the kit. So the first step is to preheat the oven, but I'm gonna wait to do that until I have these things actually made, just so that the oven isn't sitting on upstairs for too long. So it says a baking pan lined with tinfoil. Place metal charms flat side down on baking pan lined with tinfoil. Okay, so use tweezers to fill the metal charms edge to edge with crystals and mixers. Add more towards the middle for best results. Okay, so I'm gonna use the black beads first for the head and the body. I'm gonna go off camera and fix these up. Next thing you guys will see is me preheating the oven. So I just preheated the oven to 400 degrees. Once it is heated up, I'm gonna put the tray in the oven, and then you bake it for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to check it. And it does say before it's done baking completely, you need to check and add more plastic to any blank or open spots. And there it is in the oven. I just put it in there. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the oven. It's been in there for 10 minutes. The oven does smell a bit weird, but it doesn't smell like burning plastic or anything, so not too bad. But now I'm going to put extra pieces of plastic in there to fill in all the gaps. So I just put it back in the oven. Gonna let it bake for another 10 minutes. And then I will take it out and show you guys how it turned out. And of course it's gonna have to sit and cool for a while. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the oven. So I'm going to let it sit and cool for a while. When I go back downstairs, I'll see how long the instructions say to let it cool, but I'll probably just leave it up here for a couple hours and finish making this project tomorrow because it is at 10 p.m. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna be honest, it's been like 4 days since I made this, so it's definitely cooled down now. So there is some bits on it, like right there, I don't know if you can tell, where the plastic went over the metal, and there's other pieces like right there where there isn't any plastic, but it's definitely not too noticeable. I definitely just think this is more of an intricate design. And then these two turned out really well because they're super simple shapes. But let's get into turning these into jewelry. Okay, so we just got done with step 4, which is, so now we're going to insert cording into coil end cap. Use pliers to pinch the last coil on the end cap closed tightly. So we're going to take our jump ring, put it on the end of our coil, and then put these 2 rings that are interlocked. Put one of those on there and close it up. Other jump ring, put it on the other end, and then put this piece on. I don't know what these are officially called, but they are just for clasps and closures and stuff like that. So we're going to put that on. I'm going to find some scissors and cut these ends. Okay, so I cut the ends. Now we can attach the bee. So we're gonna take a jump ring, put it on one end of on one of the coils, and then put the bee on there, and then close that up. Now we're gonna do the same for the other side. I'm gonna take a jump ring, put the bee on there, and close it up. Now the necklace is complete. And then it just has this closure on the back. And just like that, the necklace is done. Now let's do the earrings. The instructions say, connect pieces with split jump rings as shown. Use pliers to pinch the jump rings closed. One thing I will say is I feel like, so it's going to be in your ear like this. I feel like the honeycomb is going to be facing sideways instead of front facing. So I might get out some of my own jewelry findings and add another jump ring on there so that it's facing the correct way. I wish they had included 2 extra jump rings so that you could do that, but you know, it is what it is. It's just a little jewelry kit. Overall, I don't know if I would buy another full jewelry kit like this, just because I'm not a super huge fan of the way they attach things. But they do sell individual packs where you can just buy the metal frames or just buy the plastic bits. So I would definitely be willing to buy some of that stuff to just make my own charms, and then I'll pick out my own findings and everything, because we all know I have plenty of those. I also have this kit, which from the findings and everything, it looks like you just make knots and you don't use these coils and stuff. So this will probably be easier. I will make a video on this one as well. So that is something to look out for when you're buying these kits, is if you don't like the findings they use for that certain kit, maybe pick out a different one. But these are only $7.99 each. I bought this kit when they were buy one get one half off, but currently they're all on sale for half off, so it's only $3.99 for these kits at Michael's. And I went and I looked at them, and of course they didn't have any of the ones I wanted. They have individual turtle packs, or they have some space themed jewelry. Of course my store didn't have any of those. They didn't even have any of these ones left, I don't think. They only had like the just random shapes and stuff, which I don't really want to buy at this point because I don't have any ideas for those. But overall, I do recommend this product. They're pretty cool, they're pretty good. For $8, I think that's pretty reasonable. If you can get them on sale, wait until they are on sale, because they always seem to have some sort of sale going on. But overall, yeah, if you see this kit and you want to, if you see one of these kits or you see any of these products and you want to try them out, go for it. They're not too hard, and they're a good little jewelry kit. Sometimes it's nice to buy a kit and it has all of these supplies that you need. Of course, you know, you're gonna need scissors, an oven, tin foil, stuff like that, but that's probably stuff that you have laying around your house anyways. So yes, I do recommend these. And if you're still hesitant or you still want to think about it, look into it more, I will have the video for this one up pretty soon. Hopefully, I know it'll be up sometime in the month of December. Hopefully, you never know how life's gonna go. But I will also do a video on this one, as well as any of the future ones I make. I'm sure I'll do videos on those. So if you are hesitant or still curious, want to see more, make sure to subscribe, because those videos will all be out relatively soon. Other than that, tell me in the comments down below if you are still interested in these kits, or if this is the first time you're learning about them and now you're interested, or if you watch this video and you're like, yeah, I am not buying those kits. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.